Hello students, now we will do the integrals and here we will enjoy the part 15, and in part 15 we will do some integrals of, look here, this is the integral e power x and fx plus f dash x and dx. This type integral we will do here. So I write again this e power x fx plus f dash x and dx. Look here, for these you write direct answer. Direct answer is e power x and we write fx as it is and plus c. This is our answer. Okay. And look here how we will use this. Again you can understand, if we have suppose this question is e power x and we have here sin x, and f dash x means differential of fx. Okay, so sin x differential is cos x and dx. If you have this type question, so you have here e power x as it is and fx is sin x, so you write sin x and plus c. This is the answer, direct answer. Okay, look here, if we have question e power x and here we have log x. Okay, and here I have 1 upon x and dx. So look here, e power x is as it is and log x differential is what is 1 upon x. So log x is here, log x is function log x plus c. Look here, I do one more question here, e power x and here I have x plus 2 and power 3 and plus I have 3 and x plus 2 power 2. This type I have. Okay, so this is fx and differential of this is 3x plus 2 whole square. So this is fx and this is f dash x we have. So we can write e power x, x plus 2 power 3 and d plus c. Okay, this is answer. Look here, if we have here e power x and 10x and 10x differential is given sec square x and dx. This time we can write e power x and function is what is fx. Fx differential is present, so we can write here 10x plus c. And look here, if I have here e power x and here I have sine inverse x and plus I have 1 upon root 1 minus x square and dx. So you can write e power x and this is the fx and this is f dash x, so we can write here sine inverse x plus c. So I think all of you understand this. This is a very simple questions we have done. Some more we will discuss here. Question 6, if I write e power x and here I write 1 upon x and then 1 upon x differential is minus 1 upon x square given, and then we can write e power x and this is 1 upon x plus c. All of you understand this? This is very simple questions. Look here, these three questions here, integral of x e power x upon 1 plus x whole square dx and integral of e power x bracket 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x and whole dx, and here is x minus 3 upon x minus 1 e power x dx. Look at these three questions we have to do, and here this e power x is given, means we will use here the formula is, we know e power x bracket fx plus f dash x and bracket close and dx, and this will be equal to e power x fx plus c. And this formula we will use here. How we identify that this formula we have to use here? The first thing is e power x. Okay, and second is function is given and we will have add this differential of this function, then we will use this formula. So look at this first question directly. This in these three questions direct we cannot see. Look here how we can do this question. Look here, e x whole square and dx. So look here, first we write e power x. Okay, and here this x. So look here, we write x in this format. So we can write 1 plus x and minus 1. This time we can write 1 we add and 1 we subtract. Now we will do the separate. Okay, so separate we do, we will get here e power x. Okay, 1 plus x upon we do 1 plus x, we get 1 plus x. Look here, 1 plus x upon 1 plus x whole square. 1 plus x and whole square. Okay, minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square and dx. Look here, one term is cancelled here, so we have here e power x and here 1 upon 1 plus x and here is minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square and dx. Now it is clear, this fx is what is 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, Now what is the differential of this? Will be differential of this 1 plus x power minus 1 we write, and here we will get here fx f dash x will be equal to minus 1 plus x power minus 2, means we can write minus 1 upon 1 plus x power 2 we can write. So look here, this is here fx and this is second is f dash x. So this answer we can direct write e power x fx plus c, and here fx is this we know already, fx is 1 upon 1 plus x and plus c. All of you understand, this is answer. Now say imagine we do the question number, first we do 20, question are given 3, actually question is integral of x minus 3 upon x minus 1 power 3 e power x and dx. So we write separate this x minus 3, we break x minus 1 and minus 2, and we separate the denominator, one denominator x minus 1 power 3, and here is also x minus 1 power 3 we can write. And look here, one term is cancel here, so we will get here integral e power x, and this cancel means 1 upon x minus 1 power 2 and minus 2 upon x minus 1 power 3 and dx. Here we check the fx, this will be fx. So fx we write 1 upon x minus 1 power 2. So look here, we write in this format, we can write x minus 1 power minus 2. So what we have f dash x, f dash x we have minus 2x minus 1 power minus 3. So we can write this minus 2 upon x minus 1 power 3 we can write. So look here, this is your fx, actually this is your first is fx, and second is f dash x and dx. So we can write this answer is e power x fx plus c, and here fx is what is, fx is this is 1 upon x minus 1 power 2 and plus c. So this is our answer. All of you understand this? Now we will do the question number 18. Number 18 is here e power x and we have 1 plus sin x upon we have here 1 plus cos x, okay, and dx. So look here also we can write in the separate format, or first we write 1 plus this sin x, we can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, okay, and here also this we can write 2 cos square x by 2, okay, and this we can separate, we get here e power x and here is 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2, and here is we can check this 2 to cancel, 1 cos is cancel, means sin x by 2 sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 we get here, and dx, okay. This we can write e power x and this will become 1 upon 2 and sec square x by 2, and this will become 10 x by 2. Now we have to identify this which one is fx and f dash x. This is the fx and this is f dash x. In differential of 10x is sec square x and x by 2, and x by 2 differential is 1 by 2. So this is your fx and this is f dash x. So here we can write here fx is 10x by 2 and f dash x is equal to 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 plus 1 upon 2 sec square x by 2. So answer is e power x fx plus c is answer, and e power x fx is 10x by 2 plus c. This is our answer. All of you understand this? These three questions we have done. These are very important questions, and you can understand this. Now we will do these two questions, integral of e power 2x sin x dx, and next question is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and dx. These two questions we have to do. Look at first question, we will write here I equal to e power 2x and sin x and dx, okay. According the islet, this is exponent is second and trigonometry is first, so this we write first and exponent we write here second. So we use here the integration by parts. So here this e sin x is as it is, and e power x 2x we do the integral minus we have the integral differential of sin x and integral of e power 2x and dx and whole this we have dx. This is the formula you know already. And here sin x we write as it is e power 2x integral is e power 2x upon this 2 we have, and here is integral differential of sin x is cos x, and e power 2x is e power 2x upon 2 we write outside, okay, and dx. Now look here, we can use this in a proper format. E power 2x upon 2 and sin x we can write 1 upon 2 bracket. Again we will use this, this is our second and this is our first. So we can write here this cos x as it is integral of e power 2x dx minus differential of cos x integral of e power 2x dx and whole dx, okay, and bracket close. Now look here, we will solve this e power 2x upon 2 sin x is as it is minus 1 upon 2 cos x is as it is e power 2x integral is e power 2x upon 2 and minus here cos x differential is minus sin x minus plus sin x and e power 2x is e power 2x and 1 upon 2 we write outside dx. Look here, this is our question. You can check e power 2x sin x dx and e power 2x sin dx. This is question. So this question we suppose in starting I, so we can write here this place of that 1 upon 2 bracket and e power 2x upon 2 cos x and plus 1 upon 2 and this we write I, okay, this we write I, okay. Now we open the bracket, we get here 1 upon 2 e power 2x sin x and we open the bracket, we get 1 upon 4 e power 2x and cos x and minus and plus is minus and 1 upon 4 I we get. And look here, this we transfer to the left hand side, we get I plus 1 upon 4 I, and this is from these we can take common 1 upon 4 and e power 2x we take common, so we have here 2. Actually this 2 means we have to multiply 2, we get here 2 and e power 2x is outside, we have sin x and here this is common, so we have minus cos x, okay, and plus c we will add here. This we take LCM, we get 4 is LCM and 4 plus 1 is 5i upon 4 and equal to 1 upon 4 e power 2x and 2 sin x minus cos x and plus c. Now these 4 and 4 we can cancel, okay, or you can multiply by 4, you get here 4 and I equal to we get 1 upon 5, this 5 we divide and e power 2x and bracket 2 sin x minus cos x and here we get 4 upon 5c and 4 upon 5c we write a new c, okay. So we get the answer, final answer, this integral is 1 upon 5 e power 2x bracket 2 sin x minus cos x and here c dash we can write. This is our answer. All of you understand this? So this is very important question. Now one more question we have here, sine inverse 2x upon this. Look here how we can do. Question number 22 we have here, integral of sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Look here, this formula already we know, this is a standard formula. We have the formula 2 tan x or 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to sine 2 theta, okay. So place of x we will suppose here, place of x we suppose here tan theta, okay. So look here, this sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, this will be equal to sine inverse place of this we can write 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and this will become sine inverse and this will become sine 2 theta, okay. So this is equal to 2 theta and place of theta again we can put the value theta equal to tan inverse x. So this will be equal to 2 and the place of theta we write tan inverse x. So place of this, okay, we can write here 2 tan inverse x. So look at this, question is totally changed, the question will become 2 tan inverse x and dx. Integral we will do by Eilert method. Look here, this 2 and integral, and we write here tan inverse x into 1 and dx, and according the Eilert, this is the first and this is the second. To bracket we can write here, this is tan inverse x as it is, and 1 integral we write here x, okay, minus we can write here differential of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and 1 integral is here we can write x and dx, okay, and plus c. So this x we write here, we can write 2 tan x tan inverse x, we can write minus this we suppose t, so we get here this value means we can multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Differential of this is this, so we can write here 1 upon 2 and log modulus 1 plus x square. Actually otherwise you can suppose this 1 plus x square is t, so this will be dt. We have log t, okay, and plus c. Now open this bracket, we get 2x tan inverse x and minus this we open the bracket, we get minus log 1 plus x square plus c. So this is one method, and here one more method is that here you can write this 2 theta, place of this we write 2 theta, and place of dx we can write here dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Also you can write change, and then also you can do. So this is method is I think good method, so you can do this method.